Arti, mużika, ikel u dak kollu li joħloq il-wien sbieħ f'ġurnata tipika sajfija f'festival wieħed, is-Sliema Street Art Festival. Peter Brobeck huwa Żvediż li jmexxi kumpanija tal-arti tat-triq f'pajjiżna. Għalih l-arti li ssir fit-triq hi waħda espressiva daqs dik esebita f'mużew.
I think the streets is the funniest place to do it at. You can do it on canvases as well and on indoor in galleries, but outdoors is where it looks the best.
Kienu diversi Maltin li ħadu sem f'dan il-festival.
There is several good Maltese artists that's been here, and I'm really happy that they, because the level of artists that we bring over is very high internationally. But I'm very happy that the local artists also wanted to join in, and they didn't shy away from the big names. They just went at it and they did really good.
Iżda x'jiġri minn din l-arti wara li spiċċa l-festival?
We're taking most cars and vans from the scrapyard, we're taking them here, painting them, and then we'll exhibit it, and then we'll take it back.
Minkejja dan l-entużjażmu, residenti f'Sliema ma laqgħux tajjeb mill-ewwel dan il-festival.
They're not used to having music here. Of course, it's since it's a new event, and there's never been anything like that in a long while. So it's some people were wondering, but when they heard and when we explained, they're okay. They've been very good with us.
Dan il-festival jieħu l-ħajja wkoll permezz tad-daq minn qatt ta' bands lokali u jiġi fit-tmiemu tard il-ħadd filgħaxija. Barra minn hekk kull Malti hu magħruf li jħobb jimla żaqqu u għall-kok Mark Morales l-ikel huwa wkoll forma artistika.
L-ikel l-ewwel li jieklu l-għajnejn, sewwa allura meta tara xi ħaġa sabiħa tagħmel differenza kbira, l-kuluri u hekk anzi anke l-artisti meta jiġu jieklu tipo wow, we're doing this art, this is your art. U ngħidhom eżatt.